Given an array of integers, nums, and an integer target, return indices of the two numbers such that they up to the target. You may assume that each input would have exactly one solution, and you may not use the same element twice. You can return the answer in any order. So basically, we have a target number, right? We have to find two numbers that that add up to that target, pretty much.
Well, first we gotta think of like how we're gonna implement it. So
We'll have to loop through this thing like twice for every element. For example, 2, right? We have to loop through 7, 11, and 15. 7, we have to loop through 2, 11, and 15. 11, we have to loop through 2, 7, and 15. You get me?
that's the brute force way.
That's a brute force way. Yes. We can check if val is bigger than target, right? If so, we can break from the loop. We can skip it. I'm just gonna say skip, right? Skip val, right? So in that case, we can save ourselves a couple more minutes, a couple more seconds or time, and then we just check the other twos, 2 and 7, 2 and 7, and as soon as we get 2 and like the target, we skip the value. Check if two vals are equal to targets, right? And in that case, skip return. For example, let's say 11 was here and 7 was here. We just skip 11 and move to 7. And we go to 2, 11, skip 11, go to 15, and no. You get me?
Okay.
Yeah. That's my thought process. I don't know what's your your view on this, right? So, but that's mine.
Yeah, I like that. So we'll do a nested loop, right? And then we'll do the brute force.
In range of nums in length that nums. Ooh, I'm getting the hang of it. For j in range of length nums, right? So we're gonna do that, and we're gonna go if nums, right? Nums. Okay. I'm thinking.
If nums I equals nums j or something, or if num j, plus that equals target.
We're gonna go. How do we add something to an array? Can we add something to an array? A pen. A pen. J, like that, pretty much.
Yeah.
All right.
But
I'm worried about the third. A pen. I don't think you can append on.
Oh, you used brackets for a pen.
Oh, it's parentheses.
Parentheses, yeah.
Alrighty. J. All right, let's go for it. No, I don't think.
No, so you're not returning a. You're not returning.
My bad. Yeah.
When I is 0, j is 0 as well.
Yes, that's what I was thinking. When we have to skip that value.
You started at 1 comma length dot nums. Because 1 is the bottom, is where you're starting. You know what I'm saying?
Yes, but also, let me see. It's because we're skipping number 2, but what if we on number 7? We're still gonna pass over 7 twice. Get me? We're gonna go 7 2, 7 7, 7 11, 7 15. Also with 11, 11 2, 11 7, 11 11, 11 15. So we have to skip our indice. Do you get me?
I think I'm catching your drift.
So if A equals J, right? All right, like that. Basically saying if the indice, let's say 2, is 0, and J, no. If the indice I and the indice J are not the same, right? And if if the values of I and J are equal to target, add it to the array, pretty much.
Yeah.
That's basically what it means.
Okay.
Yes. And also, what if we have? How do we check if we already have the values in there? Wait. Never mind. We just break right here. Boom.
You gotta put and.
Oh, here. Oh, my bad.
All good. It's all good.
Yes, bro. I forgot Python is super easy, dude. How do we check if ands has something?
Oh, just return.
Return and. Dude, you're so smart, bro. I love to see it. Yes, sir. Yeah.
I feel like there's a test case.
Yeah, me too. All right, let's see. Couple
Let's
minutes you were here,
go.
but hey, you left on the right time. We finished the first problem. Let's go.
Let's go.
Yes, sir. This is how we do it. Too easy. Our first one
problem
here in our live stream.